Welcome to Home Garden Inspiration, your ultimate destination for everything green and beautiful. Today we are diving into 15 creative beautiful summer garden decor ideas using recycled windows and rustic frames to transform your outdoor space. You will absolutely love how these simple budget-friendly DIY projects add instant charm and character to your backyard. Make sure to leave a comment below, like this video, share it with your fellow gardening enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more weekly inspiration. A vertical window planter offers a fantastic way to grow fresh herbs without taking up precious ground space. By removing the glass panes and attaching small cedar boxes to the frame, you create a beautiful tiered growing system. This arrangement allows your mint, basil, and thyme to catch optimal sunlight throughout the warm summer days. It leans gracefully against your outdoor wall to create an eye-catching focal point. Incorporating a mosaic mirror into a rustic frame brings a sense of depth and mystery to small garden corners. You can gather colorful shards of broken pottery or glass beads to create a stunning border around the reflective surface. When catching the afternoon light, it scatters gorgeous patterns across your flower beds. This simple piece instantly elevates the visual texture of your outdoor seating area. Transforming an old glass window into a miniature fairy garden adds a touch of pure magic to your backyard landscape. You can place the window horizontally or mount it as a backdrop for tiny fairy figurines, moss, and miniature houses. Weathered wood frame gives the entire setup an enchanting, organic feel that blends perfectly with surrounding ferns. Children and adults alike will be drawn to the intricate details hidden within this whimsical display. A weathered window pane can serve as a stunning and highly functional butterfly feeder for your summer garden. By removing a few panes and installing flat feeding dishes filled with sweet nectar, you create an inviting rest stop for pollinators. The colorful wings look absolutely breathtaking when framed against the vintage wood structure. It is a wonderful way to support local wildlife while adding a rustic decorative element to your yard. Creating a vintage glass greenhouse wall turns a collection of mismatched windows into a breathtaking backyard feature. You can hinge the windows together to form a protective backdrop for your most delicate summer tropicals. This structure keeps cold winds away, while letting plenty of warm sunlight bathe your potted plants. It adds a sophisticated architectural element that makes your garden look like an estate. A distress frame transformed into a garden chalkboard sign lets you share inspiring quotes or welcome messages with visitors. You can paint the center panel with durable outdoor chalkboard paint to withstand summer showers. It provides a wonderful opportunity to express your creativity and change the garden theme whenever you like. Guests will love reading your customized notes as they stroll through the blooming pathways. Using a recycled window frame as a trellis system gives your climbing vines a sturdy and charming support structure. Clematis, morning glories, or sweet peas will eagerly wrap their tendrils around the open sections of the frame. As the summer progresses, the wood is beautifully enveloped in lush green foliage and vibrant blossoms. It easily transforms a plain, blank surface into a living tapestry of natural beauty. A shabby chic succulent showcase utilizing small divided window panes is perfect for displaying hardy desert plants. Each individual compartment holds a different variety of colorful succulent nestled in gritty, well-draining soil. The contrast between the weathered paint of the frame and the soft textures of the plants is striking. This arrangement requires minimal watering and thrives perfectly under the bright summer sun. An antique frame can be converted into a gorgeous flower pot holder using simple metal rings or brackets. You can securely mount the frame onto a sturdy surface and attach terracotta pots filled with cascading petunias. This elevates your colorful floral displays to eye level, making them much easier to admire. It effectively turns ordinary container gardening into an elegant piece of outdoor living art. Hanging a stained glass window sun catcher in your garden brings a vibrant burst of color to shady areas. As the brilliant summer sun passes overhead, it casts glowing hues of blue, red and yellow across your lawn. The heavy wooden frame anchors the delicate glass, protecting it from sudden gusts of wind. It serves as a captivating piece of art that shifts beautifully in appearance throughout the entire day. A reclaimed frame garden shadow box lets you display your favorite collection of vintage trowels, terracotta shards, and bird nests. You can line the back with burlap or wire mesh to secure the items safely against the elements. This unique display tells a personal story about your gardening journey and passion for outdoor design. It adds a lovely touch of nostalgia and curated charm to any outdoor living space. A window pane lantern display provides an enchanting glow to your outdoor evening gatherings. By hanging small solar or candle lanterns from the top arches of a vintage window, you create a cozy ambiance. The glass panes beautifully reflect the flickering light, casting soft shadows across the nearby flower beds. It is the perfect backdrop for long summer nights spent laughing with family and friends. Crafting a farmhouse-style window box using a large rustic frame instantly boosts the visual appeal of your outdoor structures. The window frame serves as a dramatic backing for a deep wooden planter box filled with overflowing annuals. White geraniums and green ivy look stunning against a dark, weathered wood backdrop. This classic design choice brings a timeless cozy aesthetic directly into your backyard oasis. A multi-frame botanical wall art installation turns an empty outdoor wall into a curated gallery space. You can press real summer leaves or dried flowers between glass panels housed in matching rustic frames. Arranging them in a neat grid pattern creates a clean yet deeply organic visual statement. This setup celebrates the natural beauty of the season in an incredibly sophisticated way. incorporating a whimsical window into your garden gate design creates a memorable first impression for anyone entering your sanctuary. It offers a playful peek into the lush paradise waiting just on the other side of the fence. This architectural detail makes your entire property feel open, welcoming, and full of creative personality. If you enjoyed these beautiful summer garden decor ideas, please leave a comment below, like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to Home Garden Inspiration, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.